Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to share a list on Google Maps. So for sharing a Google Maps you need to make a list first. So first of all you can go to a location you want to share or create a list about. So you click on the location, and after clicking on the location you can see here the save menu. So you just click on the save menu and create a new list here, and you can list and name the list as my list and create. And you can save multiple locations here. So let's just select this and also add this travel plans. Okay, let's see my lists. My list, here is the list. We can add uh, add more locations here. So just and save it on want to go, and let's just again save this to my list. Here you can see the list I've created, and let's make it also on my list. And I have just selected multiple locations to my list. So let's just go to my lists, like click on saved lists. Here it will show my list. This is my list, and simply you can just click on share, send this link to view, and invite to edit the list also. So we'll just this video is just about sharing the list on Google Maps. So we can just send this link, get link to share, get link, and we can just copy this link and share it to some friends, families, or whatever person we want to send. And we can also share it directly to Gmail, X, formerly Twitter, and also WhatsApp. So that's it for this video. Hope you find this video fruitful. So see you on the next video.